this is Reinna and I'm so energetic today and I don't know why. Maybe this is the caffeine kicking in. I don't know. Kakakain ko na ng breakfast and it's already 9:30 in the morning. For today, we're going to do a makeup look. I just got inspired by this thing. It's a scrunchie. I don't know kung kailan siya nag-start. So, this is the scrunchie. And it's an orange one with yellow trimmings. I need to start doing my makeup already kasi mainit na, naghuhulas na ako. Wala akong aircon. I only have my fan here. Yung number 1 fan. I already have my foundation on, my eyebrows on, my contact lenses on. And let's get started! Woo! What the hell is going on? I'm so energetic. Like, yeah, let's get started! Damn, too much highlight. So that is it. What's up with me and this thing or gesture? So that is it for this video. So nakita nyo naman, sobrang dali lang nung process and everything. I only used at least 5 eyeshadows for this look. You could really recreate this look. So if you do, please do tag me on my social media accounts. I'd be glad to comment on them or even include your photos on my next videos. And if you want to see more contents like this, or I don't know kung ano i-upload ko dito sa channel ko, better subscribe ha guys, subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos, kasi I'm not as consistent as before anymore. So that is it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!